Ever popped a pimple and thought, why does pus come in so many disgusting colors? Well, brace yourself because things are about to get nasty. Pus is basically your body's battlefield. It's made of dead white blood cells, bacteria, and tissue debris, all the leftovers from your immune system fighting off an infection. The classic gross goo. This means your body is actively fighting bacteria, and those white blood cells are dying in battle. If it's thick and chunky, it's mostly dead cells. If it's runny and clear, your body is still flushing the infection out. Ever seen pus with a sickly green tinge? That's thanks to Pseudomonas bacteria, which create a pigment called pyocyanin. It's basically toxic green slime oozing out of your skin. This type of infection can smell bad, like old gym socks soaked in swamp water. Brown pus? That's old oxidized blood mixed in, kinda like a decayed infection stew. If you see this, the infection is deeper than you think. If you ever see black pus, you're in serious trouble. This could mean tissue death, gangrene, or a flesh-eating infection. No joke, get to a doctor ASAP. Blood mixing in with pus? That means tiny blood vessels are breaking down as the infection spreads. If it won't stop draining, that's a sign of a deep abscess. That nasty, rotten smell? It's because pus is filled with bacteria that produce sulfur compounds. Basically the same chemicals that make rotten eggs smell so bad. Worst offenders? Staph infections and anaerobic bacteria that thrive in deep, oxygen-deprived wounds. These can smell like rotting meat, old cheese, or even sewer gas. Not all pus is normal. If you see red streaks spreading, swelling, or you have a fever, that means the infection is getting worse and could turn into sepsis, a life-threatening condition. Did you know? A single drop of pus can contain millions of bacteria, and some infections can even turn your pus into a gooey, jelly-like consistency. So if your pus is getting grosser by the day, don't wait. Get it checked before you turn into a walking science experiment.